Good morning, students of class 3. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 52 as I'll be continuing with exercise 3 of unit 13, simple past tense. Students, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 52 as I'll be continuing with exercise 3 of unit 13, simple past tense. Students, in my last video, I had started this exercise 3, that is, change the following sentences into simple past tense. Now, today I am going to revise the first two sentences which we had done in the last video, and then I'll continue with the rest of the sentences. Students, the first one is Manu make noodles. In this, first of all, what we need to do is we need to identify and underline the verb. In this sentence, the verb is make, so we'll underline the verb make and we'll change the root form of the verb make to the past tense. So बेटा make का past tense क्या होता है? Made, M-A-D-E, made. तो हमारा जो sentence है वो क्या हो जाएगा? Manu made noodles. Then the second one, aeroplanes fly high in the sky. In this sentence, children, the verb is fly. So please underline the verb fly. And then we need to change the verb to its past form. तो बेटा fly का past क्या होता है? Flew. So our sentence will be, aeroplanes flew high in the sky. The past tense of fly is flew. That is F-L-E-W, flew. Fine. Now I'm going to start with the third one. And the third sentence is, you write poems. Fine. Now, first of all, what we need to do? We need to identify and underline the verb in this sentence. The verb in this sentence is, children, write, and this is in the simple present tense. Now we are going to write the past form of write, है ना? तो बेटा write का past tense क्या होता है? Write, the past tense is wrote. W-R-I-T-E, write, और इसका past tense होता है wrote. So our sentence will be, you wrote poems. Fine. तो हमारा सेंटेंस पास्ट टेंस में क्या हो गया? You wrote poems. Fine. Write का पास्ट टेंस क्या है बेटा? Wrote. Fine. Now, I hope everybody has done, children. Now the fourth one. I give my books to my maid's son. Now, first of all, what we need to do? We need to identify and underline the verb. In this, the verb is give. और बेटा give का past tense क्या होता है? Gave. Give. The past tense is gave. Give, gave. So our sentence will be, I gave my books to my maid's son. मेड जानते हैं ना, जो घर में हाउस हेल्प होते हैं, जो घर में हमारे हेल्प करते हैं काम को, उनको मेड बोलते हैं, है ना, लेडी को. सो हमारा सेंटेंस क्या हो गया? I gave my books to my maid's son. Fine. I hope everybody has done the third and the fourth sentence. बेटा write का past tense wrote. बस खाली past form of verb लिखना है हमको. Rest of the sentence will be same. So you write poems, क्या हो जाएगा? You wrote poems. Then Fourth, I give my books to my maid's son. Give का past tense क्या है? Give. तो क्या हो जाएगा? I gave my books to my maid's son. So now I'm going to erase this and write the fifth one. We share our toys also. Now, our sentences, we share our toys also. इसमें बेटा वर्ब कौन सा है? शेयर. अब बेटा शेयर का पास्ट टेंस क्या होता है? शेयर. SHARE हो जाएगा SHARET. बस उसमें D लगा देना है. तो शेयर शेयर. तो हमारा सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा? We shared our toys also. Fine. So we shared our toys also. The past tense of share is share. Now, I hope everyone has written, children. We shared our toys also. Now the sixth one. The teachers check our notebooks. The teacher check our notebooks. Now we need to identify and underline the verb in this sentence. The verb is check. Fine. तो बेटा check का past tense क्या हो जाता है? उसमें ed लग जाएगा. CHECKED. Checked. Fine. अब हमारा sentence क्या हो जाएगा? The teachers checked our notebooks. This will be our sentence. The teachers checked our notebooks. Fine. Check का past tense, check. The teachers checked our notebooks. In this exercise, the main thing you need to do is you need to identify and underline the verb and then change the verb to the past form. Fine. I hope everybody has done. Fifth is we share our toys also. Then we have changed the past form of share to share. तो हमारा sentence क्या हो गया? We shared our toys also. Then the sixth one. The teachers check our notebooks. The past tense of check is checked. So our sentence will be the teachers checked our notebooks. Fine. I hope everyone has done. So now I'm going to erase the board and write the 7-1. Children, visit Dolls Museum. This is our sentence. Now we need to identify and underline the verb in this sentence. Children visit Dolls Museum. The verb is visit. And the past tense of visit is visit, visited. Fine. So our sentence will be children visited dolls museum. Children visited dolls museum. Fine. I hope everyone has done this. Now the last sentence of this exercise. Our holidays begin from 25th December. Now, the sentences, our holidays begin from 25th December. The verb in this sentence is begin. And the past tense of begin is began. B-E-G-A-N, began. Begin, began. Now, the sentence will be, our holidays began from 25th December. Our holidays began from 25th December. So the 7 sentences, children visit dolls museum. The past form of visit is visited. So our sentence will be, children visited dolls museum. Then the 8th one, our holidays begin from 25th December. The past form of begin is begin. So our holidays began from 25th December. So students, with this we have finished exercise 3, the last exercise. And now we are going to start with the fun time. Now we need to choose the correct option in this exercise, children, and complete the story in simple past tense. Fine. फन टाइम एक्टिविटी है बेटा, स्टोरी है एंड्रोकस की जो ग्रीक स्लेव था, एंड देन you will enjoy reading this story. Now, choose the correct options and complete the story in simple past tense. हमें स्टोरी किस में कंप्लीट करनी बेटा? In simple past tense. Now, there are 2 options given and we need to choose the correct option, but we need to keep in mind that we need to choose the option in simple past tense. So, now in the story you can see a boy whose name was Androcles. Fine. Now, Androcles dash, अब बेटा ब्रैकेट में 2 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, is and was. is प्रेजेंट टेंस में यूज होता है, was इसका पास्ट टेंस है. फाइन. सो is was a Greek slave. फाइन. अब हमको पास्ट टेंस में फिल करना है, तो हम क्या चूज करेंगे बेटा? was. फाइन. we'll cross out is and we write was. Androcles was a Greek slave. आप स्लेव जानते हो ना, गुलाम. पहले बहुत बहुत साल पहले जो किंग्स होते थे वो दूसरे किंगडम्स पे लड़ाई करते थे और वहां के जो किंग जीत जाता था वो वहां के लोगों को अपना स्लेव्स बना लेता था, गुलाम, कि वो जो ऑर्डर देंगे वो उस स्लेव को करना पड़ता था। फाइन। तो एंड्रोकस वॉज अ ग्रीक स्लेव। हिज क्रूएल मास्टर, क्रूएल मीन्स अनकाइंड, है ना। हमने ग्रीडी स्टॉक वाले में लेसन में क्रूएल वर्ड पढ़ा था जिसको दूसरों पे बिल्कुल दया नहीं आती, अनकाइंड। तो हिज क्रूएल मास्टर dash, now the options given are treat and treated dash, bracket close, him badly. अब बेटा जो उसका क्रूएल मास्टर था, है ना, dash him badly. अब treat तो रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्रेजेंट है ना, पास्ट फॉर्म क्या है, treated. So we will write treated. His cruel master treated him badly. One day, he dash run oblique ran away from his master's house to a forest. Now, one day he dashed away from his master's house to a forest, है ना। Run is the present tense and ran is the past tense. हमको past tense लिखना है तो हम run को क्रॉस करेंगे और ran को चूज करेंगे. So he ran away from his master's house to a forest. He dash. The options given are C, oblique, saw that a lion was crying due to pain. He dashed that the lion was crying due to pain. Now see, present tense है और saw past form है. हमें past लेना है, हम C को cut करेंगे. So he saw that the lion was crying due to pain. तो हमने first paragraph अपना complete कर लिया है ना. Please tally. Androcles was a Greek slave. His cruel master. यहाँ पे मैंने opposite लिख दिया था, actually आएगा master. His cruel master treated him badly. One day he ran away from his master's house to a forest. He saw that the lion was crying due to pain. Fine, again I am reading. Please check. Androcles was a Greek slave. His cruel master treated him badly. One day he ran away from his master's house to a forest. He saw that the lion was crying due to pain. Fine. So I hope all of you have written. Please check your answers, students. There should be no mistake. Now I'm going to erase this and continue the story. Now, Androcles dash. The options are go, oblique, went near the lion, and dash. Options are find, oblique, found. A thorn, thorn जानते हैं ना, कांटे को बोलते हैं. A thorn in the lion's paw. Now, Androcles dash near the lion. Go क्या है? प्रेजेंट टेंस है. और पास्ट क्या होता है? वेंट. सो हम गो को कट करेंगे, वेंट को टिक करेंगे. गो का पास्ट टेंस क्या है बेटा? वेंट. सो Androcles went near the lion and dash a thorn. फाइंड तो प्रेजेंट टेंस है, क्रॉस करेंगे. करेक्ट वर्ड क्या है? फाउंड. and found a thorn in the lion's paw. लायन का जो पंजा है उसको पॉ बोलते हैं. फाइन. और थॉर्न किसको बोलते हैं बेटा? कांटे को, है ना. आपने देखा है ना, रोज वगैरह में जो कांटा होता है, कांटे को इंग्लिश में थॉर्न बोलते हैं. He dash, and the options given are take, oblique, took out the thorn. Now, take क्या है बेटा? प्रेजेंट टेंस. टेक का पास्ट टेंस क्या है? took. तो हम किसको चूज करेंगे? took को और take को कट करेंगे. So he took out the thorn after a few months. What happened then? Let's see in the story. Comma, the king's soldiers dash, catch, oblique, caught. Androcles and the king dash, ordered, oblique, ordered, to throw Androcles before a hungry lion. Now, after a few months, the king's soldiers dash Androcles. बेटा catch present tense और catch का past क्या? Caught. So we will cut catch and choose cut. Soldiers caught Androcles and the king. Order क्या है बेटा? Present tense. So we'll cut and we'll write ordered. Ordered to throw Androcles before a hungry lion. Again I'm reading this and then I'll be erasing this and I'll be writing the remaining part of the story. Androcles went near the lion and found a thorn in the lion's paw. He took out the thorn. After a few months, the king's soldiers caught Androcles, and the king ordered to throw Androcles before a hungry lion. Fine. Please check your answers, students. I'm going to erase it. Okay. Now the remaining part of the story. But the lion dash, and the options are begin, oblique, begin. To lick, lick मतलब चाटना, his hands instead of killing him. Now, begin is the present tense and the past form of begin is begin. So we will select begin and we will cross begin. But the lion began to lick his hands instead of killing him. Lick मतलब चाटना. Lion Androcles के हाथ चाटने लगा rather than killing him. All the people dash, options given are was, oblique, were. Fine. Surprised to see this. Fine. Now, here there are given two options, है ना? और हमें ये options किसके लिए use करना है? People के लिए. Was भी past tense में है, were भी past tense में. But we need to keep in mind that was हम singular के लिए use करते हैं और were हम plural के लिए. अब यहाँ पे people है. People means more than one. So we will select were and we will cross out was. So all the people were surprised to see this. Actually, it was the same lion whom Androcles had helped. No blank in this sentence. Actually, it was the same lion whom Androcles had helped. The king dash, again was oblique, were impressed he set Androcles free. Fine. Now, the king. अब हमको यहाँ पे देखना है was were दोनों past tense में है. was किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? सिंगुलर के लिए and were प्लूरल के लिए. अब हमें king के लिए यूज करना है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? was. We will cut one. So the king was impressed. He set Androcles free. So again I'm reading the last paragraph of the story. But the lion began to lick his hands instead of killing him. All the people were surprised to see this. Actually, it was the same lion whom Androcles had held. The king was impressed. He set Androcles free. So now let's read the story once again, children. Listen to me carefully and tell your answers. Androcles was a Greek slave. His cruel master treated him badly. One day he ran away from his master's house to a forest. He saw that the lion was crying due to pain. Androcles went near the lion and found a thorn in the lion's paw. He took out the thorn. After a few months, the king's soldiers caught Androcles, and the king ordered to throw Androcles before a hungry lion. But the lion began to lick his hands instead of killing him. All the people were surprised to see this. Actually, it was the same lion whom Androcles had held. The king was impressed. He set Androcles free. So students, with this fun times activity, the story, we have finished our Unit 13, Simple Past Tense. Students, that's all for today. But please, a small reminder for everyone, you all need to learn the past forms given on page number 50 and 51 of your English grammar book. So that's all for today, children. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.